Hai, kembali lagi di channel English. Di mana channel ini saya akan membagikan video-video belajar bahasa Inggris dengan cara mudah dan menyenangkan. Untuk kali ini, saya akan membagikan 25 frasa penting dalam belajar bahasa Inggris untuk pemula. Nah, bagi kamu yang ingin memulai belajar bahasa Inggris, kamu wajib banget tonton video ini sampai akhir. Siapkan buku catatan kamu, simak video baik-baik, dan mari kita mulai. Hello. 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 How are you? How are you? How are you? Bagaimana kabarmu? I'm good, thanks. I'm good, thanks. I'm good, thanks. Saya baik, terima kasih. Where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live? Di mana kamu tinggal? What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? Siapa namamu? My name is Lisa. My name is Lisa. My name is Lisa. Nama saya Lisa. Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? Dari mana kamu berasal? I'm from Indonesia. I'm from Indonesia. I'm from Indonesia. Saya dari Indonesia. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? Berapa usiamu? I'm 25 years old. I'm 25 years old. I'm 25 years old. Umur saya 25 tahun. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Senang berjumpa denganmu. See you later. See you later. See you later. Sampai nanti. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Maafkan saya. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Terima kasih. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Sama-sama. Are you busy? Are you busy? Are you busy? Apakah kamu sibuk? What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? Jam berapa ini? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Apa yang sedang kamu lakukan di sini? What day is it today? What day is it today? What day is it today? Hari apa ini? Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Semoga harimu menyenangkan. How was your day? How was your day? How was your day? Bagaimana harimu? Can you help me? Can you help me? Can you help me? Bisakah kamu menolong saya? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Saya tidak tahu. Can you repeat it? Can you repeat it? Can you repeat it? Bisakah kamu mengulangnya? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Tidak masalah. Demikian video kali ini. Jangan lupa untuk subscribe, like, komen, dan share video ini ke teman-teman kamu yang ingin belajar bahasa Inggris. See you on another lesson. Bye for now.